Still, consumer confidence is sinking as that economic uncertainty continues. I spoke with USA Today economy reporter Rachel Barber to help make sense of where things stand right now. Hey there, Rachel.
Hi, Taylor.
Thanks for hopping on this, Rachel. So, lots of, I think, concerns and anxiety around some of these economic points right now. But let's start by talking about the markets. I know stocks inched back up on Friday, but it was really a nightmare week beforehand, Rachel. What happened here? Was this, I guess, mostly a reaction to uncertainty?
It's complicated, but it seems that way. One of the sources that I spoke to said that markets are like people, they like stability and certainty. And right now, investors are worried what tariffs will mean for their supply chains and their businesses overall. As we know, tensions have been rising between the US and its top three trading partners, Canada, Mexico, China. And this week, Trump escalated the risk of a trade war with the European Union. He threatened to impose a 200% tariff on alcohol coming to the US from Europe unless the EU drops its plans for a tax on American whiskey, which, by the way, itself was part of an EU retaliation strategy after Trump put a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum imports to the US.
All right. So, what about inflation? This was something Trump promised to lower on day one. Has he made good on any of that promise?
I'm not an expert on inflation, but I can tell you that it eased more than was expected in February. But economists told my colleague Paul Davidson that the reprieve will probably be short lived because those import tariffs we just spoke about are expected to drive prices up.
Well, and as I said at the top, Rachel, consumers, just average Americans, are clearly worried in this moment, or at least puzzled. I know we have some new indicators on consumer confidence. What can you tell us here? Just how spooked are consumers right now?
Well, first, to add some context, really